Ronald, the question is in English. I'll read it twice. Ronald, why should gender never define someone's potential? I repeat the question. Why should gender never define someone's potential?
I believe everyone has potential, regardless of gender. Just like our Mayor Jeannie Sandoval, she is a woman, but she can lead. And I believe women are capable of leadership because leadership is not defined by gender or sexuality, but by vision, strength, and purpose. Women lead not just with authority, but with heart, which is an essential aspect of being a leader. Women is powerful in so many aspects, and I believe now is the time to put more women in positions where they truly belong. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Ginoong Pangulo Ronald Vicencio. Now let's call Ginoong Lobos, Jen Gabriel Canto. Hi Jen, kamusta?
Sobrang happy po ngayon dahil nakapasok ako sa top 10. At sa mga supporters ko dyan na nanonood, gusto ko sabihin na sa inyo pala, panalo na ako.
Alright, Jen, please pick a question. Tapusin ko yung mga ginawa si Mama Emma sa mga pinipili natin. Read it twice. Please listen carefully. The question for Jen. What is one lesson you learned from being online? Again, the question goes, what is one lesson you learned from being online?
Maraming salamat po sa magandang katanungan. Ang social media ay madalas natin ginagamit sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay tulad na lamang ng edukasyon, trabaho, at iba pang mga bagay na magiging balita tayo sa kahit saan. Sa natutunan ko dito ay ang pagiging cyber citizenship. Dahil dito ay kailangan natin maging responsable sa ating mga kilos sa bawat pinipindot natin at sa mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan natin. Dahil hindi lahat ay totoo at hindi lahat ay hindi. Kaya tayong mga Malabueño, lalo sa mga kabataan, lagi nating tatandaan na suwiin natin maigi ang bawat bagay. Dahil ang anumang maliit o malaking kilos ay magkakaroon ng malaking pagbabago, hindi lang sa ating sarili, kundi sa ating lungsod.
Maraming salamat, Jen Gabriel Canto, Ginoong Lobos. Now, let's call on Ginoong Akasha, Ginoong Paulo Rafael Tampico. Do I call you Paulo or Rafael? Anong nickname?
You can call me Paulo.
Paulo, mahirap ba maging una? Number one?
Actually, yeah, it's quite a challenge, but yeah, I'm up here for the thrill, yes.
You did well. Now pick your question. So, Paulo, pwede mong sagutin to both in English and in Tagalog. The question for Paulo goes, what is one local tradition in Malabon you hope never fades? Again, what is one local tradition in Malabon you hope never fades?
Being a Ginoong Malabon is not just about winning the crown or the sash. It's about your heart, desire, and passion to serve for your beloved city. And I believe that one of the greatest traditions that I don't want to fade in Malabon is a celebration of Tambobong Festival. Why? Because this celebrates our origin. This celebrates where we came from. And this celebrates our rich culture, heritage, flavors, and tradition. That's why, as your next Ginoong Malabon 2025, I'm calling all my 380,522 Malabueños to keep the Tambobong Festival alive for the next generations. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Ginoong Paulo Tampico. Now let's invite Ginoong Potrero, Marvin Madaya. Kamusta, Marvin?
I'm grateful and also hindi ko na-expect
service in community? I repeat, how can pageants like Ginoo at Binibining Malabon 2025 inspire service in the community?
Ginoo at Binibining Malabon 2025 is not just about the beauty. It is a purpose. As an education, I want that every student have a school supplies in their backpacks. We have in barangay called Project Sinag that every student have school supplies, and by that they can help to nakakatulong ito para mas maayos ang kanilang mga pag-aaral. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Marvin Madaya, Ginoong Conrero. Now let's call Ginoong Consuya, Jomari Carillo. Kamusta, Jomari?
Okay na.
May level ba ng kaba, excitement, anong nananaig? Speechless, oo. Halo-halo na yung emotions. Okay, Jomari, please pick a question. Listen carefully. Jomari, what makes your generation powerful? I repeat the question. What makes your generation powerful?
Thank you so much for the question. So, as a part of this generation, I believe that this generation is powerful because I faced multiple failures in life, but that failures never stopped me to pursue my dreams. Because that failure, I use it as a lesson and inspiration to build my character to become the better person that I dream. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jomari Carillo. Now let's call Ginoong Newgan, Joel Israel Soriano. How are you, Joel?
Masaya.
Masaya?
Masaya nakapasok sa top 10.
Right, and you seem to be very happy as a whole group, kahit yung mga hindi nakapasok.
Sa totoo lang, expected ko na siya. Joke lang. Ano siya eh, kasi wala ko masyadong preparation sa budget na to. Then, puro work ako ganyan. Kaya parang, hindi ko na rin siya masyadong inaasahan. Pero, ayan nga.
Oh, you made it. So pick a question, please.
Thank you.
Joel, your question goes, how can we make food tourism sustainable in Malabon? The question for Joel goes, how can we make food tourism sustainable in Malabon?
Maraming salamat sa inyo, napakaganda katanungan. Papanatili natin ito kung susuportahan natin ang ating mga lokal na business dito sa Malabon. At hindi lamang ito basta dito natatapos dahil kailangan din natin ito ipakalat dito sa ating lungsod. Dahil naniniwala ako na ang hakbang sa pagpapasikat dito sa ating lungsod ay hindi lamang nakikita sa paggamit dito. Kundi nakikita ito sa kung paano ito ipapakilala sa iba't ibang tao. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Ginoong Newgan, Joel Israel Soriano. Let's call Ginoong Flores, Easy John Francisco. I am so sorry, tama ba yung pronunciation ko? Easy. Do your friends call you EJ?
Yes.
Okay.
Ayun po, sa first timer, shoutout po ako sa family ko at friends ko na nag-push sa akin dito. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ayun lang po.
Thank you also, EJ. Pick ka na ng iyong katanungan. And katulad ng mga ginawa natin, you'll hear it twice. You can answer either in English or in Tagalog. Your question goes, how can you help protect Malabon's cultural identity? I repeat, how can you help protect Malabon's cultural identity?
Maraming salamat po sa inyong tanong. Nakakasiguraduhan ko pong pupoprotektahan po ang kultura ng Malabon as a vlogger. Ipapost ko po sa Facebook or social media about Malabon, yung heritage and delicacy natin. At para hindi makalimutan ng mga kabataan, ang nagtatanging laman ng Malabon. Ayun lang po. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Easy John Francisco. Let's call Ginoong Santunan, Felix Cruz III. Hi Felix.
Hello.
Best in swimwear. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Eto, pili ka na Felix. If you can also move forward a little. Question for Felix is, if there is one dish to represent the city of Malabon, what would it be and why? I repeat, if there is one dish to represent the city of Malabon, what would it be and why?
Ang nire-represent ako sa Malabon, ang dishes ng Malabon ay ang ating sikat na Pansit Malabon na galing sa Barangay Concepcion. At hindi lang to sikat dito sa atin, kundi sikat din sa iba pang lugar. At may pagmamalaki pa natin to sa mga susunod pang henerasyon. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Felix Cruz III. Let's welcome this time, Ginoong San Agustin, Nelson Juan Jr. You made the sign of the cross. Anong pinagdadasal ni Nelson?
Sana po makasagot ng maayos and maintindihan po ng judges kung anong nilalaman ng aking puso.
Okay, pili na tayo. Nelson, your question. Listen carefully. What makes Malabon unique compared to other cities? I repeat. What makes Malabon unique compared to other cities?
Maraming salamat po sa inyong katanungan. Ang pinagkaiba po ng Malabon sa ibang bayan ay ang pagiging makabayan ng mga tao rito at ang pagkakaisa na namumuo rito. Bilang isang magagawang pangkultura, ako po ay naninindigan na maraming nagmamahal at sumusuporta sa ating kultura at sining. Gayon din sa ating bayan na hindi lamang sa pamamagitan ng social media or mga yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Nelson Juan Jr. And last, not the least, Ginoong Maisilo, Ariel Barasona Jr. How are you? May gusto ka bang sabihin at batiin?
So actually, I just want to... Gusto ko lang pumatiin ang aming pong Kapitan Paolo Oreta, ang aking pong pamilya, ang aking mga kaibigan, at ang aming mga estudyante, and my co-teacher is here. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta.
Good luck sa'yo, Ariel. Ito na, naging isang katanungan. Yan. Listen carefully. Your question goes, what qualities make you fit to become Ginoong Malabon 2025? Again, what qualities make you fit to become Ginoong Malabon 2025?
I always believe that the Ginoo ng Malabon is an ambassador of the tourism here in our city. I am compassionate, I am a purposeful, because I am a teacher. And I believe that as a teacher, bilang isang guro ng ating bayan, I will be able to inspire, to lead each and every Malabenyo so that we will be able to promote the rich culture, the vibrant history of our beloved city of Malabon. If I were given the opportunity to be a Ginoo ng Malabon, it's such a pleasure. And nais kong ipatunayan sa lahat na ako ay isang gurong Ginoo, may puso para sa Malabenyo. Maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi.
Thank you, Ariel Barasona Jr. Well, there you have it. Let's all give a round of applause to all our Ginoo making it to the top 10 final interview.
Grabe, Risa. Hindi naman ako yung tinatanong mo, pero ako yung kinakaba.
Diba? natin yung ating